Hi, good morning everyone, and warm welcome to my video. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to talk about communicable diseases. Okay? Diseases that can pass on from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are also called infectious diseases. Such diseases are caused by microorganisms. But what do you know? What are microorganisms? The answer is microorganisms that are visible under a microscope are called microorganisms. So what I have told, organisms that are visible under a microscope are called microorganisms. So we all cannot see microorganisms through our naked eye. Okay? Now, one question may arise in your mind, where are microorganisms? Yes, the microorganisms are everywhere, even inside our body also. There are so many things in our surroundings, and microorganisms are present everywhere. Anyway, I am going to talk about communicable diseases. Well, communicable diseases are caused through infection by microorganisms and spread from one person to another. Disease causing microorganisms or microbes are called germs. Clear? Disease causing germs are of four main types: bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. So, how many types are there? There are four types. A particular germ can cause a particular disease. When a germ that can cause a disease enters the human body, it causes the corresponding disease in the body. Next, spread of communicable diseases. How the communicable diseases are spread? The answer is communicable diseases are spread through food and water, or through air, or even through insect bite. Observe all the pictures and see what to do and what should not do. You have to observe carefully. Okay? We should wash our hands before we touch food or water. We should wash our hands before we touch food or water. We should keep our surroundings clean, and we have to keep food and water covered. Moreover, we should keep food cooked in clean vessels, and always we should wash our hands with soap and water after we go to the toilet. On the other hand, we should not eat overripe fruit and spoiled fruit. What I have told, we should not eat overripe fruit and spoiled food. We should not eat food or drink fruit juices or water from roadside stalls. We should not eat. Have you ever seen such stalls in towns? If anyone have taken such type of items, please avoid it, because germs from air often settle on the open food items. Okay, we should not eat food which kept open and in unclean places. We should not handle our food with dirty hands. Understood? Germs are found everywhere around us. They live in polluted air, unclean water, and also in the soil. They also live inside the bodies of plants, insects, and animals. Germs can reach the human body through various ways. How does germs spread from one person to another? When a person carrying the germ of a particular disease comes in contact with a healthy person, the germs can get transferred. Okay, the germs enter the body of the healthy person, and that person then suffers from the disease carried by the germs. Measles, influenza, and ringworm are infectious diseases that can be spread through the direct contact between a diseased and a healthy person. Clear? Well, now I am going to discuss one by one how does germs spread. First one is spread through food and water. Germs carrying diseases such as cholera, typhoid, jaundice, tuberculosis, and food poisoning are found in food and water. Such food and water are said to be contaminated. When a person eats or drinks such contaminated food and water, the germs reach his body and cause diseases. Flies that sit and feed on contaminated food and water carry the germs on their bodies. They shit on clean food and water and contaminated it too. Therefore, it is necessary to keep food and water covered and protected from such organisms at all times. One should avoid eating food from roadside stalls that keep the food uncovered. It is also important to wash our hands each time before eating. Already we have discussed. And what we should do, what to do and what should not. Clear? Okay. Spread through air. When a person suffering from a particular disease coughs or sneezes, the germs in the person's body are released into the air. Diseases such as measles, chickenpox, influenza, and cough spread through the air. These germs float in the air and reach other people in the surroundings. When a healthy person breathes in the air containing the germs, he too gets the disease. Clear? Last one is spread through insect bite. Mosquitoes and bugs suck and feed on the blood of humans and animals. When they bite a sick person, they also take up the germs present in the person's blood. As they move on to bite another person, they pass on these germs to others' body. Diseases like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, are spread by mosquito bite. What I have told, these diseases spread by the bite of different types of mosquitoes. Okay, thank you.